We're Urban Commons. I'm Justin, and this is Sean.
When we started sort of thinking about this particular space, we wanted to create this sense of immersion, a space where really kids could be let loose and run amok, but at the same time making it slightly educational. And this is when we started talking to Alistair and sort of looking at, well, how can we integrate that idea of a forest, but also have some sense of diversity and really represent those different native regions of Australia.
The plant that we're planting at the moment is called Acacia melanoxylon. It's native to the whole east coast of Australia, and the seeds are edible, and the seeds were harvested by Indigenous people and early colonists and crushed and turned into a damper. And then we've decided the planting species in 3 distinct bioregions. So we've got coastal down that way, which is the Banksia integrifolia, Tetragonia, Tetragonoides, and the Carbobrotus, which is the pig face that you see along the beach. And then we've got the northern New South Wales and Queensland rainforest species, the lily pilly, and the Backhausia citrodora, which is lemon myrtle, and the Viola heteracea, which is edible flowers.
And we've also cut up a lot of big billboards that you would have seen around Melbourne. Hopefully you recognise some of the imagery, but we've repurposed it into these wonderful planter bags that are amongst us here. Essentially, there's detail in every little element of it. We've actually insulated the bags so that the trees are looked after, even during some of the cooler evenings.
And so we really want to encourage people to sort of take that step and not be afraid to touch the sculptures, which is often the case in a gallery, but actually very much find themselves in a position to engage and play